Hello. My name is Anju Kumari. I'm telling you this story for one simple reason. I hope you don't learn about yourself too late like I did. I used to be just a normal girl from a small village no one knows. Now, I run a place where women and children come together every week to laugh and learn. But getting here, it wasn't easy. I fell down many times. My home village is in southern Bihar. A place so small you won't find it on a map. We often lost electricity. And when it rained hard, our mud walls would start to melt. My mother was a quiet woman. But every night when I read my old English book, she would gently move the candle closer for me. My father used to say, "Why learn to write? A woman's job is to live well at home. That's her blessing." The only reason I even went to school was because my father felt bad about something with a village leader. So he sent me. Back then, I didn't really understand what it meant to want something for myself. To want to be someone. Growing up, I learned one main thing. Keep quiet to stay safe. But writing was different. When I wrote, it felt like I could finally breathe. I really started to love writing when I was about 15. I wrote a short poem in my notebook and put it up on the school notice board. But someone tore it down. They wrote horrible things next to it. Like, "Why is a girl writing poetry? And you bring shame to your family." After that day, writing became my secret. Whether I was happy or sad, I wrote, but I hid it away. It felt like my true feelings. Something the world couldn't see. That was my first big mistake, worrying about what others thought, instead of listening to my own heart. My second big setback happened at a writing group. It was the first time I read my poetry out loud. And this woman, she said to me, "Your writing sounds so sad, so pitiful. Why write things like that?" That night, I decided I would stop writing. Forever. But the thing is, I didn't know how to stop writing. When my hand reached for the pen again, I understood something. It wasn't my writing that was sad. It was the world that heard my life, my reality, as something sad. From that day on, I made a change. I decided to stop trying to be a writer and start learning how to just live. Not trying to explain my sadness, but just learning to live my own life as myself. My third setback felt even bigger. I started my own writing group. But on the first day, not one single person came. I thought it was all my fault, that I had done something wrong. Or maybe, I was just not an interesting person. Then, I realized something important I hadn't known. It wasn't that people in my village didn't want to write. It was that they didn't think they could. They didn't feel like they were allowed to. So I changed my approach. Instead of just poetry writing, I made the group about drawing pictures, sharing stories. Anything really. I got rid of the rules too. I told them it's okay if you don't want to talk or if you find it hard. And guess what? People started coming. Someone once said, "Success isn't about big numbers. It's about who stays by your side." I really believe that now. Our group is small. Maybe just a few people. But it feels full of heart. Even now, I'm not famous. I haven't written a book or won any big awards. But almost every week someone comes to me and says, "Because of you, I tried writing something myself." And that's enough for me. It really is. All I ever wanted was just to learn how to live as myself. Truly myself. Hopefully. Not too late. And not too alone. I hope this story today can be a starting point for you. And I really hope you can tell yourself, it's okay. I can live my own way too.